One thing I really like about designing a perennial pasture mix, things that I like to see a lot of diversity. And if you compare the look of this diverse mix that we put together compared to any of the monoculture species that we've looked at so far, you can see this just blows everything away. You look at the biomass on this compared to any of the others. You guys want to kind of pan around and look at the pure grass over there. A lot of pastures are pure grass. Look at that compared to the productivity and I think, in my mind at least, the obvious visual nutritional benefits of all this diversity. We've talked about the nutritional benefits of the chicory, plantain. Of course, the grasses provide a lot of yield. The legumes provide a lot of calcium and nitrogen. Helps increase the overall productivity of the mix. Protein. And we've got minerals. We've got vitamins. We've got bioactive compounds. We've got protein. We've got energy. And we've got diversity of canopy types. We don't have any one insect or disease that's going to wipe this thing out. It's going to be very resilient against any kind of disease, insect, climatic extreme, drought. It's just a tough, very difficult to kill mixture. There's provides an awful lot of benefits, and I just love the looks of this. I wish I had my cows here to use this now. I mean, I just love the looks of this. Diversity of plant types, diversity of plant species, growing seasons, root types, canopy types. Diversity really adds resilience, and so I think this is what I like to see in a mixture of species. It really costs no more per acre to put together a mixture like this than to plant a monoculture of grass. And you see, this has had no herbicides on it. The only weed control was a couple mowings last year. Look, do you see any weeds? Do you see any, there's no pest insects. You do see a lot of insects flying around, but they're beneficial insects. Like I said, once you get this up and going, it's pretty problem-free. Just this, to me, in my mind, is what a pasture pot is.